Hola y bienvenidos al canal. Hello and welcome to the channel. In this channel, Spanish Burst, you will be learning some vocabulary, grammar, tricks to learn Spanish, all within one channel. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe now so you don't miss it. And if you are, thank you very much for your support. In today's video, I'll bring you some vocabulary burst. And this time it's clothes. This is a very simple vocabulary. And if you haven't checked the clothes vocabulary, it is your lucky day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. I'll explain how we're going to work it. So I'm going to repeat all the vocabulary that's written there. I will not show the English because I'd rather you learn it with the visual image of the word because I think it goes faster and you're not trying to translate at the same time. And then when you learn it, you just basically learn the way it is without the English term or anything like that, which is more confusing, takes more time. And then, yeah, I just personally think it's easier to learn this way. And I will also, after these, put only the images and we'll go trying to guess what each one is to make it a little bit more interactive. So if you don't know these words and they are totally new to you, feel free to pause the video real quick, try to memorize them, and then press play again and try to guess them. Or alternatively, watch the video over and over again until you get them. So without further ado, let's go ahead. So, camisa, calcetines, camiseta, and abrigo. By abrigo means coat. That looks like a dress, but it's a coat. Okay, so I repeat all over again. Camisa, calcetines, camiseta, abrigo. Now it's your turn. Camisa, calcetines, camiseta, abrigo. Very good. Very easy? Maybe not? Let me know in the comments. Pantalones, bufanda, guantes, sombrero. Let's repeat one more time. Pantalones, bufanda, guantes, sombrero. It's your turn now. Pantalones, bufanda, guantes, sombrero. Very good. Vestido, dress, vestido, bañador, braguitas, and calzoncillos. Obviously, braguitas is the underwear for women and calzoncillos is the underwear for men. Let's repeat that one more time. Vestido, bañador, braguitas, calzoncillos. Now it's your turn. Vestido, that's right. Bañador, braguitas, calzoncillos. And the last set of words, flip-flops, chanclas. Repeat, chanclas. Okay, zapatos, any shoes, tacones, high heels, tacones, and zapatillas, any trainers. Let's repeat one more time and then it's your turn. Chanclas, zapatos, tacones, zapatillas. Your turn. Chanclas, zapatos, tacones, zapatillas. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Was this easy? Was it hard? Would you prefer videos like this? Would you want more videos of vocabulary with images? Let me know, and I hope to see you on the next one. So thank you for watching, and adios.